नो। मैंने अगर कोई फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं बना रही हूँ बर्गर, ओके, इफ आई एम बर्गर, प्रोड्यूसिंग बर्गर, मेरे बर्गर का प्राइस है 250 रुपीज, ओनली फॉर वन बर्गर, 250 रुपीज, ऑल राइट। एंड मैकडोनल्ड्स बर्गर निकाला फॉर 175 रुपीज, whose demand is going to be increasing?
मीन्स 175 का डिमांडिंग।
Correct, it is going to be McDonald's, right? So every time even pricing policy has to be thought about, and right price is to be, देखो मैं हर एक जो प्रोड्यूसर होता है, every business firm is having a threat of competitors price. We have learnt about prices, how prices of related goods affect the demand for a commodity. हमने फैंटा मिरिंडा का भी एग्जाम्पल देखा है, हमने कार पेट्रोल का भी देखा है कि कैसे प्राइस का अफेक्ट होता है उनके डिमांड पे, चाहे वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गुड्स हो या चाहे वो सब्स्टिट्यूट्स हो। करेक्ट। सो यहाँ पर भी जो कॉम्पिटिटिव बिजनेस फर्म्स हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर फर्म है, हम लोग का जो जैसे हम बैफ है तो बीएमएस भी एक कॉम्पिटिटिव फर्म है, तो हम दोनों के बीच में हमेशा कैसा होगा, प्राइस को लेकर सोच समझ के हम प्राइस डिसाइड करेंगे कि नहीं। नहीं तो पता चला बैफ वाले लोगों ने प्राइस कम रख दिया, बीएमएस वाले लोगों ने प्राइस नॉर्मल रखा, तो लोग हमारे गुड्स को भी नहीं लेंगे, सोचेंगे ये तो घटिया क्वालिटी का होगा। Even that can be the case, हमें लॉस हो जाएगा इवेंचुअली। सो there is always, the firm has to decide the appropriate price, so that कि एक बार प्राइस डिसाइड किया, ऐसा नहीं हम बार बार पलटते रहे प्राइस कम ज्यादा, नो, we can't do that every time in the market, करेक्ट। सो बार बार फ्लक्चुएशन ना हो, एक ऐसा प्राइस जिससे हमारा प्रॉफिट भी हो, एंड सामने वाले जो कॉम्पिटिटिव फर्म्स हैं, इवन इफ they are charging anything, at least we are able to you can say get our profit in our hand. So it is always that situation. Next point is reduce business risk. Now why business risk? What all risk a business firm has? Any idea? Risk in the business firm, डिमांड होगा कि नहीं हमारे प्रोडक्ट का, लोग कितना पसंद करेंगे, what all things are there. सो वंस वी, आगे आपको स्टेप्स पता चलेगा, आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल के साथ भी मैं आपको समझाऊंगी फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो वंस we come across those steps, you'll come to know how a firm can minimize the risk, how can a firm reduce the risk that he is or he can be suffering from that. So in order to reduce the risk, जैसे अभी हमने बोला previous example, ठीक है, in that example our target was 60,000 units का production, we thought to produce 60,000, but once we came across, we did a demand forecasting, we estimated, and we came to know that our product can be demanded only, our product's demand is only 40,000. So are we going to spend more 20,000 in its production? We are not going to produce. Why? Because the demand is not going to be there. Extra 20,000 units, nobody is going to demand from us. So why are we supposed to produce extra 20,000? So how much we'll produce? We'll produce only 40,000. Though our target was this, we will be producing only 40,000 because there is no market. There is no demand for our extra 20,000 units of goods. So by knowing this thing, what we can do, we can control our production, we can control our inputs, we can control our expenses, right? And hence our risk can be reduced, it can be minimized to a lot extent. Next point is inventory planning. What do you mean by the term inventory? We all are commerce students, so are we aware of this point? Inventory planning? Nobody? Inventory? Nobody knows the meaning of inventory?
Ma'am, inventory is the extra stock we kept with us.
Correct. And what else? They are actually the raw material. Inventory is what? Inventory is the raw material that is there. Now, why do we keep this? Because in case suddenly there is a rise in the quantity of our product, in case the demand rises or increases, okay, in case the demand increases for our product, what we can do, we can start with our production process and we can continue with our supply rather than waiting for the inputs to come, then we will produce. No, we can start with the production on an immediate scale depending on how much is the quantity that is demanded, and based on that what we can do, we can manage our inventories, and appropriately what we can do, what can we do out of it, we can make the appropriate planning about how much will we need to produce that product. Okay.